Okay, replacing a mirror on a 2006 350 Econo line van. You got to take these bolts out. Now I've seen a lot of videos where people take this whole door panel off. Seems like a whole lot of trouble. If you can take this top screw out right here and bend that down some, you can probably get that screw out. I've already removed those, so it's just a matter of plopping this here off and putting the new one back on. But it is that easy. I can't imagine it being any easier than that. Now, if you got a brand new van and you're a little bit worried about dinging up that little part, I get it. As far as I'm concerned, my van's got 200,000 miles on it. And if that bends a little bit versus taking all this off, I'm gonna roll on, and it's gonna be hidden when you shut the door. And all you gotta do is finish it up by putting this piece right back on. And it's that simple. It took me probably literally 5 minutes.